Thousands of local children walk through the doors of the Boys and Girls Clubs of Monterey County in Seaside and Salinas each and every day. Many people drive by our clubs every day, but many do not know firsthand what our club members experience or what opportunities are available for them behind these walls. When our members enter the club, they know that it's what's inside the club that counts. It is our mission to take this a step further and teach them that, more importantly, it's what's inside them that counts. And this is a true lesson of hope. Our members are made up of diverse cultures, and our doors are open to everyone, regardless of their backgrounds. It doesn't matter because we are all the same. That's what we teach our children, that we are all the same inside. It's what we do with ourselves that makes us who we are. Our kids learn that you do not have to be related to be a family in order to be a family. The club is a second home for many of our members, and the staff and other members are their extended family. In today's ever-changing world, families are busy and no longer have the time to sit around the table and break bread. Meals are time when our children can visit and talk to staff around the table. There's something about a table, food, and conversation that really helps build trust. Family is having someone to talk to, especially when you are having a tough day. Compassion is learning that giving is receiving, and that the more you give to others, the more kindness you get back. Our staff models compassion so that our kids can learn to treat each other with the same compassion. Our members are taught to thank people, to know that their club is available to them because of donors that give of their time and resources to make so much possible to them. Showing appreciation for what they have, and that includes the condition of the clubs. Our Seaside Club has been here for many years, and look at the great condition it is in. Club members are responsible for taking care of this facility. Staff can't do it all, and we rely on our members to keep it neat and clean. It is their club, and they learn to treat it with appreciation. Whether they're in a spelling bee, a geography quiz, a basketball tournament, or playing golf or tennis, a key to our programs is to teach our children teamwork and sportsmanship. It's how to win with grace and lose with grace. Our club is based on 8 attributes of integrity, which is taught to our children each and every day. One of our 7-year-old members described character as doing the right thing when nobody is looking. If we could teach that throughout this world, wouldn't that be amazing? At every event, we sing the national anthem or say the Pledge of Allegiance, but patriotism is really talking about democracy as part of our educational, character, and leadership development programs. It's helping our kids understand how important our right to vote really is. As one of our members said, I learned that it's okay to cry when I sing God Bless America, because it means you love your country. When you think about it, determination is part of everything they do, whether they want to be a part of a sports team, be a leader in the Keystone Club, or complete a science or technology project. We give them the tools to succeed and tell them it takes determination to do it. We want them to set a goal and accomplish it and experience the pure joy of accomplishment. Responsibility, it's making a commitment and seeing it through. We teach our kids to be accountable to our staff, to each other, and to themselves. Whether it's acting responsibly on a field trip, showing up on time for a class project, or completing their homework before playing pool, we want our kids to realize how powerful being responsible can be for themselves and for everyone around them. All of the children in our community deserve the right to be loved, nurtured, and to be given the opportunity to reach for new heights. We want them to experience things they never thought possible in their lives. That's what we do at the Boys and Girls Clubs of Monterey County. Every day, we provide hope and opportunity to each child that walks through our doors. The real lesson of hope we teach: it does not matter where you come from, it only matters where you are going.